Here's one you Mustang fans will like to check out. 2013 Boss 302 Mustang, Laguna Seca. The Laguna Seca came in two different colors in 13. Black with kind of a flat gray striping or graphic on it, and there was a school bus yellow like this one here is. Overall there was 765 of them made. In school bus yellow, this is one of 262. Its production number is actually 227 of the 765 Laguna Secas produced. Best thing about this one is kind of the story that goes with it. One owner car, mature adult owned. Actually had two of them. We purchased this one from him and it is now being offered for sale. Clear Carfax. Original miles, a little over 5,000, I believe it's 5,200 and some. Check out the still pictures. This car's like brand new. Look underneath pictures, interior pictures, engine bay. Car's like new. Check the still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have about this car. See, it's riding on the stock wheels the Lagunas came with. That's also the original Pirelli tires it would have came with new. If you noticed up here, the splitter is not on it, has not been installed. Everything that came with this car is still in the box. So what I'm talking about there is that front splitter is in the box. Never been installed. I don't believe the box has even been opened. There is a air deflector for a transmission cooler. It mounts underneath and will move air over the tranny to help cool it. That is still in the box. And then the ductwork for cooling the front brakes is still in the box. Never been installed. This car has not been raced, has not been tracked. But that's what these were made for. This is basically a street legal race car. Yes, it does have the red key as well as the black key. Red key is programmed. So track key is active on this. 444 horsepower coming out of the 5-liter Coyote engine underneath the hood. And these are known to corner and handle absolutely beautiful. One of the nicest handling Mustangs produced. See the Laguna Seca badging on the rear deck lid. Laguna Seca wing. All strictly to these cars and not the regular Boss 302s. What I have down here is some more stuff. The owner's packet is all there with the keychain, the book, the CD, all the stuff that comes with it. That envelope is the paperwork and what have you for the track key. In that bag there is the Boss 302 cover, and again the bag has never been opened, front license plate bracket, and then those kind of oval aluminum pieces, those are taken out of the exhaust, so the side exiting exhaust is producing sound. And that's what that was placed there for more racing driving experience. When you get on this car, there's a couple outlets that are in front of each rear wheel that sound absolutely incredible. This car speaks for itself. If you're looking for one of these or have been looking for one of these, you know what they are. This one is what you see is what you get. Again, up and down the sides. It's not dinged, scratched. Like I said, a little over 5,000 miles. It's a one-owner car. Clean Carfax, adult driven. He was just losing storage space, and this is one of the cars that he chose to sell. I personally know the gentleman. That's how we were in contact with him to get this car. Again, one of 262 school bus yellow Laguna Secas. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. There's so many things that could go on and on about. It's easiest if you check them out, do a little searching online. You'll find out. Let me get that key out. I shouldn't have to listen to that. Find out online what this car will do as far as the settings on it, what that track key will do, the different suspensions. There's just unlimited variables to the driving experience in these cars. Go from a daily driver to a track car with a switch of a key Does change a lot of the parameters of the engine. Very cool cars. As you can see, open up the door here, and we got the Boss 302 Recaro seats in it. This is just from the lighting and the, that's not a spot either, little piece of dust. It's the lighting reflection. There's no discoloration to the seats. The outer part of these is a suede, so you can see I can change the nap of the suede right there. Very, very comfortable. On the Lagunas, had the rear seat delete, had that X cross member, which added rigidity to this car. Like I said, it can be tracked. This one has not been at all. Let's go ahead and start this up, because I think the best part about this car is the way it sounds, as well as the way it drives. So let's go ahead and start this up, and we'll pop the hood and show you everything underneath there. This car is all stock. Nothing has been changed from Ford or all right. 6-speed manual transmission. So it does have the sync system, a Microsoft. Dash is all stock. I have the black key in, by the way. I don't have the red key in at the moment. So it will not say track key active, but it truly is. We'll have pictures of that online, which can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. That light in the center is the brake light, parking brake. There's no service indicators or anything like that on, no check engine lights, anything like that. 5,253 miles is what the odometer shows right now. Steering wheel controls, everything that you'd expect on this car stock. As you can hear, nice little rumble coming out of that 302. When you really notice the sound out of these things is when you're under throttle, giving them gas, hitting it going down the road, they liven up. This car will get up and move. Sounds great and looks great doing it. Once again, check out the still pictures. You can see how clean this thing is underneath, engine bay, what have you. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Any questions, or if you'd like to purchase this car, I don't think it's going to last long, give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'm going to pop that hood so you can see that engine bay quick, and we'll be done. I'm going to pause this. It's going to be a little easier to do it two-handed, so hold on. All right, there we go. So you can see the under the hood, the liner, extremely clean. Engine bay, I mean, it's what you'd expect out of a little over 5,000 mile car. So how smooth that thing runs. Beautiful Mustang. 2013 Boss 302 Laguna Seca edition. One of 262. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you.